Argentina ha na manfo atie ne video so kire say King Eswati our yeah Eswatini ehene one na pamfo abetiem e wo man yi mu ha ne senti na hu behia say yewura Asantehene de otie bruti abedie otie okawre ne brawre ngoma so OTUMFUO say to abedie one na bedwafo be yenhye ya hodo a wo mo bebo dwa kese ama wo mo kwan na wo mo aba asante amamre ene amane ahodo a ye ne ha wo mo so beba no ba besia bi empanisi achichiri wa achiri na so yedanya abroni obekoni pro yedanya abroni bekoni pro nti abusia ye nyina ye bomu ne na ye ne Asantehene na nanu atena sebaka ene amahino dodo no abeba na uhwe ye hwe abakosem bi kakra afi apem ahankron adiosia 1960 and the Queen of England obaye oba wo man yimu no na mamre ne amane te sei ene ebedi mu nkomo ene wo mu enimu de na wo betumi atra ye niam ahodo obedi nkomo afen finhia bebreni finhia benye se adiosia eprosa finhia be se adiosia enkono anase mpo bia adiosia num ena obaye ene King Mswati aba Mswati ba wabai no ono so dia wode baaye eyesen
ye nana obai eye nana hema echapanyi apatrapa hema ompatrimpo ene wapa eno ne apatrapa hema nana so ababedru nana yema wakwaba seye bona na ya santo a na enyina yehu se eye ejuso man hema nana man hema owo ejuso nana ya santo a nana edine ni onyam ebeta adwumade yachi nana ya santo ade ye kase ye ka ne ho asem a edoso oba kokodurufo no se meme ba onu nko na dinwo na kokoduro che meme apem ede nana so aba beduru animonyam nko na adwa no nana ye ma wakwa aba amanse premier se yebo amanse premier na yabo ye nana OSEI kwadwodin eye bekwai manhene na nana emayen abakosem efa bekwai ho a na ye twa ne ntia e de amamo a nana kire mu se eye bekwai din ne kora no eye bebia wo firi a wo beso eye emme kwai na wo hia wo ho na wo gu nsan ya paya Pramre kese timi yiniti eno na wode ye wona hyenso de a enunti enayi ye frɛ won amanse pramre nana so de nanim onyam ebeta adwumade ye chi a ye mana na akwa abaso kokora yehye nana obeya eye nana nkwanta kese hene OTUMFUO brempon nana soso atutu ne chawchaw mu waba na ahwefiti ye nana ti so kosi fom a ekire asante amamre ekire se asante amamre mu soso se ne obesiesie wo ho na ejina ho akire amamre no hia ehia ne sumo a esum Asanteman bo nana akwaba sampa manhyene abeduru nana jafra nana yamwakwa basronko kra sene ye nana sampa hene waba beduru na hwe fiti ne tiri so ko sene nase ne ho asiesie a se nana fa ne ho ye e kire royalty nana ndinda nye ni paketwa biasa o ye lawyer penyimu a na hwese lawyer na hinie sanka ho a se na dwene mu do ankasa se nana timi tutu ne nan eba dwumadie kese asese no nani munyam betaye kira na se dwumadie no eye soro kokora nana sampa nyene nana yema wakwa Ekura ya duru so eye abrankese nyamyani na wo hweye nana ho siesie a ne die no hyeda nye sika nko api tuntum fra afe ahofa so ka bebre so frafra chese ye nana sifom wankasa ene ofa won ho afe ye nana kusi obodum ne nana no aka eka ho nyina eso ba beduru nana ye mamu nyina akwa aba wani munyam sha mo sha Asanteman yana na obey amakom hene etsi fom wankasa yana na ho ayefeye o hwe na ho siesi a ekire sika kokwa ankasa na nafa ne ho na krododo sempo ne fira makom edoso me kai bia enkoranza fira makom sunyani fira makom kro bebre akeka ho na mrepam ne besi nkonya wo saa bakosem we ne ye hu kuru ahodo ne kwan ye fa so a otimbe firi amakom hene na sifom na akwaba nana no mu hiraw so wodi wani monyam eta adwumade yechi Asantehene sojania oyo ohene hefa ne wiasida Asanteman nana yema wakwaba So also do wani munyam ebeta dwumade ye chi ayumfuhia se ya mama Asanteman ayede fi se mmabunu no yesua de firi mo ho de mo kire yen so yefa nananom da wase o nananom nhyiraw se watimi abeka ye ho Sasa mo panyi ohene aba bedru nana wonkwaso yema wakwa aba so so de wani monyam ebeta dwumade ye chi enne mama Asanteman aniage nana akwa aba na obayi so a eye ahafohwedi manhene nana so asifo mu ankasa na ye nanan owo manhema yem nana manhema ena ye the longest queen mother watna akonya so ache yi 107 years nana da so tiase o se yenya dade a ye bekoye nana ho ahododo no wo hira yen ansakora na wakone krechi ye fi ono so ho a Beposo manhema onse another longest queen mother watna konya so 106 years ye nanan mu mienu yi nyame ahira won paaye hwedie manhene na abedru no nana wonkwa so Bosomchi asaman kese manhene ena asifom nana asifom ewo nanimonyam mu nana afa ne huye ena se wonfa ni agoro na yete bosomchi a na ye ka one of the biggest tourist attractions we have in Ghana here na eye biaya Asanteman de ye di tutu ye hom we say eye biaya ye kokwaji ye ni ankasa inti asaman kese manhene ena wabedru nana etwa se efata se na ese so se ye ma wakwaba nana akwaba Santina ebe eyo fenso manhene enene manhema se yakasa ofenso a ne yakasa muani nko nana enene manhema afa won huye papa fi se enne Asanteman ahemfo ne won hema nyina se won fa ni agro fi so history AC enne no ye de di kan ya meto o Queen Elizabeth penso nenne ya beto de a enne ye tire history ni nyina e wo ha nti o se nananom fa won ho ne ye nkai dum Emma Asanteman say ene atoso mienu 65 years nie history repeating itself. Inti say ene ye hyem wo ha wo hwe ye nananom ho siesie sika kokko entoma utimi hu say nananom afa won hu yie papa inti ye nana offense hene ene ne manhema nana ya mama kwaba. Santi adrusu eye hia hene se ye kase hia hene a na enya ahokyerefo hene na mom oyo ohena ne hu hia Asanteman ne hu hia ye nana OTUMFUO oye doctor by profession je say nimdie ewo soro ankasa nti ye nana soso tutu aguso afa ne ho abedru dwumade yase a na kyere anigye na kyere amamere na kyere se Asanteman ewo bi nti ye nana hia hene nana akwaba. Ye nana heman eye goso man hema nana ho afeyie wafa ne ho yie ene wabedi dwumade ase na ye hwe ye nana ahosiesie a eka bibi foforo ye nana nko afra tuntum enkyere se eyeye ene yeye na emom ekyere bibi se eye ne ba eye goso man hene ekwa enti nana nko ahosiesie eda soronko ekyen obia ahosiesie no. Na obey eye kona hene ye nana afa ne ho yie ankasa ye nana ho siesie kyere sika nana wani monyam eso nana ye mawakwaba. Yena na trede hene etso aba bedru nana onkwaso ye nana ahosiesi efe paye asante amamre efe titi obi ka titi obi ekire ye nana Asantehene ena abedri kyese de ne ekoso wo Asanteman mu no anu eden yankasa na eye history bi a yebekoso aka anakasa yebekoso aka ye ho yebekoso ahwe fi se enne toso mienu a esi ewo Asanteman mu eye 65 years nie a in the second time no Mswati eba besra Asanteman first one near Queen Elizabeth inti se ese sibio a ene ye nanan mu ni agoro kwara o siese won ho ama yehu se asante amamre efe e de hia won kwan nti ye nana ye ma wakwa aba Santia ebe eye denya se manhene ena abadri se ne history kese se e repeating itself a e wo se ye nana de nanimonyam ebeta ye kire ye nana afane hu ye wamfa ni agoro firi ne ti so kosi ne nase wo hwese ne kente no eye fe na wo hwe de egu ne nsa kosi ne nase a ye nana e kire se sika wa Asanteman mu nti ye nana afane hu ankasa denya se manhene nana ye ma wakwa aba hene ena bedri ye nana ye boni din heman hena de ba otim e asa ye nana enum asa ye pa nti ene hihia esensi bio wa Asanteman mu koso na ye nana ba bedru na se wan dan na wo kakra kra ncha Asanteman na chese ye nana amabi ti ye nana bedru obe dan na ho chese asante amamre asa eka ho asa no so onim sa iye enunti ena ye de aka ne din ho nti ye nana ebe dan ne hu mu ye hwe kakra mbra keteo adwo ye nana edi makota Santen a ebe eye sabronum manhene Nana Kofi Asante Nana ne din ne ne honam ese ye nanan enimwade ankasa onye ohene bia keke oyo ohene a wosan ye engineer na wo hwe bebe na na ko school aduri nimdia ekitanom na ohini a asen abeka ho a yes ye nana adwene mu do paa ye Asanteman wade nti ye nana abeduru a wo se ye maye nana akwaba se odi nanimonyam abeta edwumade ya chi nana ye mo akwaba Santen a ebe eye kontase manhene ena abeduru dwumade kese a ekoso ene ewa Asanteman mu ase ye nana fade efe yi ankasa echire sika kokko echire asante amamre na wona wati santen koradi na nachi echire se ya hemfo yeni won ho agoro ye som won ye nti ene da kese esei ekoso Asanteman mu a etwa se ye nana etimdi nanimonyam ebeta ye kire kontase manhene nana ye ma wakwa abasoro nkokora Abontam hene na abeduru no ye ka abontam a ne ye ka bawro se ye ka bawra ne ye ka denkyira ekon kese esi wa Asanteman ma abontam timi gina ye 6 days ekoma Asanteman won hene na eba no nana nkunimdie nti Asanteman bekoso akai wo mo niyo se nesoso Asanteman hiam na wa gina mu na wodi wanimonyam ebeta adwumade ye chi nana ye ma wakwa abaso nkokora Santen ebe eye adankrenya manhene ye nana so afa ne ho yie pa ye hwe ahofade no a enya asem keto akora kente no egina ho masika kokko na hwe mpatia eni komuade de eboyeti de ni se ni nyinara fititre so ekosi na ase de na na ekire se asante afade efe pa eye ye nana ye mawo akwa abasoro kokora Nana bedru. Nana afan ho ne nimunyamu. Nana ene House of Chiefs e wo ahafo. Wo nyina wo president. Nana nim die e wo soro. Na ni dibia so e wo soro paye. Etwa se nana de nimunyam e beta edumade yechi enne. Tie nana aba bedru. Nana yema wakwa aba ye dase so ye se enne watimi abeka yo. Bogu manhyene nana bedru nana fano ho nana ho fadie efedodo hwe nana kente ye komade de dana nansa de dana nan na mpabo ehye no wo enyasem ketwa nana afani ho ye ankasa asante amamere efeye enchiri mabekansam enne history repeating itself into a name fan niagro. Nana bogu akwaba. Twene bo akodua no se yakase be ma twene bo akodua ne yaka kumawu manhyene ya ba bedru be ma twene bo akodua yori ne ti age akyerema ema Asanteman nana onkwaso nana yema wakwaba ohwe nana ho siesie efedodo enne abakosem nana ebeye no hase we say enne tosumienu a abakosem a AC bio eye first one eye Queen Elizabeth bra oba Ghana besra Asanteman ye tosumienu eye Ken Mswati ano so wa babeduru o man Ghana wanko baby a o say Asanteman mu na oba odi ahini ebebo ahini so ama no ayefe enti wa beduru a etwa se amanhene etwa ewa Asanteman mu nyina enne wosia ehye Asanteman animonyam kumawu manhene be matwe bu akubia na won kwaso yema wakwa aba ebe eye insuta manhene ena na insuta manhene de nanimonyam ebeta dwumadi achi nenne ahomfade no omama na ye fe abroso kire asante amamere abribia obehu se asante abodwase na nananom asiesie won ho se no na kyese sada no ye da soro nkokora ebi ensi da inti enen so so ye nananom afa won ho ye nanansu taman ye ne ho aye fe yi ankasa hwe ye nanafade hwe ne fe hwe nakono hwe sane kire asante amamere ene amane sane yesi efa eye no ahosiesie ho hia ema asante enti na ye nananom asiesie won ho ye enne day enam wedwabo kese a ye nana otumfo OSEI TUTU toso mienu abono ene enye easy kora ewo amamre a wo kire yi ase kora otumfo piesi nana kwame bafo se ka so otumfo piesi a ne ka nkranza manhene ne nkranza manhema na bedrim nana etutu fefefe wona ohufadie mu wona wani onyam ede wona nimonyam abetai dwumade yi eche nana no mabedru nana no de mamwa kwa abase munyina enne anigidai munyina mudi manimonyam ebetai dwumade yi eche
Nyansapo de aya ne do soko wura mu hwe amamre ahodo abakosem ahodo etahene bi akire anampo edin bi akiri tafo anase wo mu ekofa edin ne baaye de ya abakosem bia na yapemu ehunu enti emprempren ya wo ahomgye mu ana wo atwen ye mu na ye twen eye ohene pon wo no efiri ebibrem nkuro no bi ana bibrem nkuro bi a mebebo din no eba no de yenko na yenkotie eho abakosem ana na henie no eho abakosem kakra ohene Appiah hanko no aduosia nwotwe 1968 February ena yewo no na mprempre ame no kasa de wodi mfinhia no aduonum enso 57 years en wadie na yerenum yedunsia edunsia yi no Appiah twam no ne yedunum na abakosem wada kuro ni mu no se afi bia wohene ibodwa na emma ya wo mu nware ye aba abesa brofokasem no yebeka ne se single wo mo ba no ma besa asane mu no ohene wo hwe yi ne yire enti Appiah si mu wa hwe yi ne yire yire a wo yi no ewo mfrinhia aduonu baako oye kane president ana mampani de ma South Africa eye wonumnyamfo Jacob Zuma ne ba ena enei oye king Mswati ne yire no otoso edunsia asem ena meke ne ma ye aduanan num obeka se nananom no kane no na sabi enema hodo ekekira wade ene nsem bi efa wade ho no menyi ni se na ye adwuma pi sansa na amamre ene na ye adwuma afenu akire no se wo ba eye kuro no mu a ana oman no mu a eye oman ye gina brane na hyede ne gina de nyina no eye amane so enye ka bi mamenka bi amamuo me kire se saa oman ni mu no omonye democracy ewo ho wahene no ankasa ye kasa ebe bibi eye monarchy nation a eye saa kuro yi kuro ami kan ne din ede Eswatini ewo anafo from the southern part of Africa ene wo entiene wo mo hene eye King Mswati the third ono ena edi aprobo abo manyi mu a wakọ mampani na so na afi oba de oti okra wre ne brare ngoma so OTUMFUO seitu abebi Asanteman wura nso wo ba ne nkyɛn na nananom nyinaa amano akwaba enti se udi na bakosem yi achi na wohunu se wonye nipa ketwasa woye nipa kese a ogina brane na nhwehwemu anase na bakosem mu no na hini a wodi so no ene se ahini na wodi no obi a woye ne ba entimi medibi sede akama mu yenso yedi agade enade wo fa ena abedi nade saa ne ho nso etie enti se me papa yo hene wo wu am na medie e ho nso enye bi ho.
It's now time to welcome King Mswati and his people into the Ashanti Kingdom. Let's give a little history about the Eswatini Kingdom. King Mswati III, whose name means King of all nations, is the current ruler of Eswatini Kingdom, a country located in southern Africa. Eswatini has two capital cities, Mbabane and Lubamba. The official language spoken there are Siswati and English, and the nation's currency is Lalingani. Eswatini gained independence from Britain in 1968 and officially changed its name from Swaziland to Eswatini in 2018. King Mswati III was born on 14th April 1968 and ascended the throne on 25th April 1986 at the young age of 18. He is currently 57 years old.
Welcome our special guest of honor, the King of Eswatini. King Mswati III.
To me, there was some condon in the Sindaba. Whoever Sindaba. Who see the way man who will Shabbat there's a reason, because it's the direct line from the father.
Ojabo kese bia se wa Asanteman mu no ebra obehu se samanka na dikan pe apie no na che se eye OTUMFUO OSEI TUTU the second nana ena aduru so se opie ababonten nti wo hwese ne nana ne ne dom epie na ye de nwom edi akire na ne dom eboje ne so na nana te na pakan mu na sika kokko adwa no fri soro ekosi fom a asante amamre efeye enne nanani age se akonya senya ba se kena ofri Eswatini a waba Asanteman mu no enne nani age se obehia no ama na kwaaba na wakire no asante so ye na mamre ne amane a ye wo ewo yemman mu ehase intina na Appiah bonten wani munyamu a eye Mswati ena obema no akwaaba na na ho aye feye pa sike kasa asante kasa amamre kasa abakosem kasa enne maburu yesua de pan ye na ye ni munyam hye so ama Asanteman. Obaye maimu Ghana haseya yana mamre ni yomu akoduo mienu eye the northern part and the southern part. Northern part no eye fugu boni beka se small ena wodi eye won amamre na ba southern part eye ye de ntoma ena eye ya na mamre ahoduo nyina nto hweye na na fade ya ntoma ne wotutu agusum at ntoma efira no egina ho masika na ho fade no egina ho masika e kire asante agudie a yewo asante agudie a yewo yemfa ngudie mu keke yesande ye ho edi Appiah bonten ema obi bia hoho hu se ampa asante wa agudie ampa asante man ewa agudie so ampa ntie nana ena pie ewo nanim nyam a wo betena se.
Apart from His Majesty, the rest can stand. We respectfully ask you to stand. The Asantehene OTUMFUO OSEI to the second. Canopy under 7 umbrellas. And he's wearing sumptuous gold ornaments from the head to toe. Heroism in Asante. That's the ground behind him. Right behind him, the people coming behind, the guy in the casket. It's called Nyansapo. Nyansapo is like a fridge where there's water and food in case the king would need to drink water. That is Nyansapo. Then right where we have the gun bearers. Now, all these guns have history. That's why they are carrying this way. The parts, the old Sunday bar shows the history of all of them. They are the special guards of OTUMFUO. We have the morning soldiers, we have all the people, but these are the special bodyguards. Every single one has a story to tell. Every single one has a role to play. And that is why this is showing all kinds of regalia, showing Asante militancy in peaceful times. You hear the guns, you hear all those things, but Asante is a peaceful nation. But the drumming, the photo from drumming and everything shows Asante heroism, Asante power, and all the regalia have history. So this is history in motion. History in motion. And that means we are also history. History is performed in Asante. And the key of being
so much. Professor Amampene, we thank you so much. Thank you for the education. Even some of us here are not so much aware of the deep history you have narrated here at the Manhyia Palace. No wonder you are a professor. We thank you for the deep history and goes a long way to remind us of our ancestors, of our heritage. Professor Amampene, thank you and thank you so much.
We have the big fans covering because for the queen we don't want people to be looking at the king like that. Then there's a music to play any amwakwa. The music is called to play any amwakwa. The music for event. But right in front we have the Tasha for those telling the long-gated and gold-studded pipes. It is for all day. Everybody wants their queen and the Asanteman, the queen, to go. So all the every trumpets are in groups of 7. There's the lead one who calls them, and then there's another group within the 7 called respondents, and then another group within the 7 called Ajuswa. And then another group called Appiah, they call them, and then there's the last one, the big one called OSEI, the reinforcer within the 7. So 7 is a spiritual number for the Asante Kingdom. Very, very highly potent. But also, in addition to the ivory trumpets, behind the key is going to be a smaller version of this ivory trumpets. They are called manhyia, short trumpets. They will be standing behind the king, and they also will be using the trumpet to also recite poetry, solemn speech. Now, several of the swords that you saw going on, there's a special agreement to the swords. The swords come with gold cast symbols. It is the gold cast symbols that tell us the need of which sword is there. If you look up there, the umbrella, the big umbrella, the tall bacteria, in our language, we might say they are part of the contemporary. Because, Your Majesty, this is the only place where you will see executioners reciting poetry. They will stand in front of our great king to recite that poetry. That poetry is not just giving ordinary poetry. It is not just giving praise. That poetry will be recounting history. That poetry will be recounting history, and you see them holding a sword and standing in front of the king, reciting that poetry. Once that happens, I will let you know. I will let you know. So take a brief moment. Thank you. Professor Amampene, thank you so
called the Asante. So the Asante kingdom, not the massive victory. So that is Appiah. That was by the executioner standing in front of. In English, we say referential point. Referential because they reference past things, past achievements, and all those. They are the execution. But the more poetry will follow. I'm a poet. Right in front of us is the Asantehene, and Amakuru right behind. Regional House of Chiefs. And Nyansapo Manhyia. And I'm Ambassador Nana Appiah, another paramount of that special position of the twins, the great twins who work with the founder, the TUTU, the goes to, like I said, because of the God giving, because it came from heaven, it's a God giving. And it is the soul, the spirit, the power, the identity of Asantehene. So our king was sent to the second. He sees that was by the executioner standing in front of. In English, we say referential point. Referential because they reference past things, past achievements, and all those. They are the execution. But the more poetry will follow. I'm a poet. Right in front of us is the Asantehene, and I'm a poet right behind.
Excellency, now he's going to give you a welcome speech. The same
Regional Minister and Ministers of State, eminent traditional leaders, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of His Majesty OTUMFUO TUTU II, Asantehene, I rise with honor and deep reverence to welcome Your Majesty to Kumasi, the capital of the Asante Kingdom, a land where royal heritage is not only revered but lived. Your Majesty, your presence here is not just a visit. It is a rekindling of the sacred ties that bind African thrones and peoples together. It is indeed a reaffirmation of our shared ancestry, our common destiny, and our undying belief in the dignity, resilience, and future of the African continent. OTUMFUO, our King, whose throne stands as a symbol of wisdom, courage, and unity, extends to you the warmest greetings from the depths of his heart. He recognizes in you a fellow guardian of custom, a leader of vision, and a monarch who has upheld the proud traditions of his people, while steering them toward modern advancements. As I don't speak in celebration and our hearts open in fellowship, we trust that your visit shall strengthen the bonds of kinship between Eswatini and Asanteman. May it pave the way for cultural, economic, and spiritual exchanges that honor our past and build a brighter future. We welcome you, Mwanyema, land of Eswatini, with royal honors and the blessings of our ancestors. May your footsteps on this land be guided by peace and joy and purpose. And may this encounter between two great monarchs echo across Africa as a call to unity, heritage, and progress. Mwanyama of Eswatini, welcome, thank you very much.
Esteemed Queen Mothers and Chiefs of the Asantehene, Ministers, Mayors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to join you all here for this magnificent celebration, the Appiah of Chiefs, which serves as a vibrant display of the history and unity of Asante heritage. We deeply appreciate being invited to witness the pride of the people of Ghana and the profound homage paid to the King. What we see is more than a gathering. It is living testimony to the Asantehene spirit, a celebration of your culture, resilience, and a reaffirmation of the significant role of traditional leadership. It reminds us of our cherished cultural traditions in the kingdom of Eswatini, like the Ingwala, Umhlanga and Marula Festival. Umhlanga returns is where our maidens gather in song and dance to honor their chastity, our culture, and the institution of the monarchy. It is then followed by the Ingwala ceremony later in the year, which is a sacred ritual that marks the beginning of the harvest season, celebrating the bounty of the land and expressing gratitude for the king. This involves traditional practices such as the gathering of the shrubs by energetic young men who pay homage to the monarch. It is very important, solemnly prayer for Mswati, and is joined by everyone. The other important cultural event we have is the celebration of our women through the Marula Festival, where women across the country deliver the Marula fruit and a variety of gifts to Her Majesty the Indogazi in a song and dance. These events continue to grow each year as the number of Mswati participate is overwhelming, and have become significant tourist attraction ceremonies. We have also witnessed how such celebrations are not only contributing to the preservation of our national identity, they present an indirect and critical economic benefit through tourism. This has an enormous potential to earn foreign revenue for the country. The number of tourists who come from far and wide to witness our cultural display is also growing each year. Each of our countries undoubtedly aspires to have a thriving economy that enables the government to address the needs of its citizens, including job creation, improved infrastructure, and high-quality service delivery, amongst others. In Eswatini, initiatives like the traditional manhyia attire project use natural dyes and modern techniques to preserve our textiles, ensuring our culture remains relevant. We must continue such efforts, documenting our practices to safeguard them for future generations. While Umhlanga sees our young women take center stage here at Durbar, it is the chiefs whom perform with royal splendor under your Majesty's guardians, uniting the community in a shared celebration. Both events bind our people to their roots, ensuring our heritage strives for generations. Like your Dubai, our cultural ceremonies are vibrant displays of unity and identity, passed down from our ancestors. They are a celebration of culture, preserved through the ages, now entrusted to us to vigorously pass on to our children. In a world of competing foreign influences, we must hold fast to these traditions, ensuring they remain the heartbeat of our identity. Yesterday, we were taken on a tour of the Manhyia Palace Museum, where we learned of the deep history of the monarchy and its people. This is crucial exercise to help keep the story of our existence alive and safeguard sacred emblems for the benefit of future generations. However, preservation alone is not enough. We must modernize and document our cultures to strengthen their roles in governance and administration. Our laws must be rooted in our traditions, not superimposed foreign ideals. By codifying our customs, we ensure they are recognized global and serve as tools for good governance. In Eswatini, we strive to blend tradition with progress. Much like the Asante Kingdom's remarkable local government structure for service delivery, which I had the privilege of learning about yesterday. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly's integration of traditional leadership into modern administration is a model of how culture can enhance effective governance, ensuring services reach our people while honoring our Your Majesty, the Asante and the Mswati shared a proud history of resilience against colonial shadows. Your golden stool was never surrendered, and it echoes our unyielding spirit. Just as you gather to honor the Asantehene, our people rally around the Ingwenyama to celebrate our shared destiny. Today we stand united in our duty to preserve our cultures, not as relics, but as living forces guiding our future. Now that we have experienced the full splendor of your wonderful culture, we take this opportunity to extend an invitation to His Majesty to join Mswati for any of one of our national cultural celebrations. We have no doubt that the experience shared with us will be well reciprocated. May we once again extend our deepest gratitude for this extraordinary event. Your Majesty, your visionary leadership is a beacon for African traditional rulers. May the golden stool continue to shine, and may Asantehene and Mswati walk hand in hand, preserving our heritage, modernizing our traditions, and building a future where our children proudly carry our culture forward. I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all. Siawo.
Samankana sorry. Se samanka sorry dia. Let's just say a bra yena na OTUMFUO OSEI TUTU the second. Wapija ni mu e wodwumade yase. Eja wapija ni mu yi o Mswati the third amo se wabesra Asanteman na waye amano ayefe. Na ha ene Nyansapo dwumade yede esi. Yeda se unya bre na wo hwe koso a so ema wo channel no na ha se kos Debiarada eya amamere ni amane bia efe natural de na sefata se wuhu bia ye de bebero
the Asante protocol. And Akrafo pectoral discs around them. Protocol, no. Benia Benin's no. Man among men. Probia, Asante protocol, no. Asante Bema no. C'est tout une yamikasi. On est là, il y a plus de temps. This rain is from the beginning of time.
deɛ dɛn kura preko enim sɛbe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadɔre sra tanyini wɔntena fie ɛma aseduamfo
blani pie firi mantam bahin sɛ pee ɛnyɛ nkwandewa na yɛ sotoro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fitaa na no makɔde ebrensi am wa otua ne nsɛm mogyabomo ni hu bi
duanani wie klaman wo yɛ sɔfo kora wo nye yie bi
tontonte yɛ no nsa na yɛ fa
nyansapo
aboa ntakra na ma na yɛ kɛse na ntakra aboa ne deɛ fa nyinam kwatere kwa
wada woro ma ntoma yɛ fɛ ni din de sɛyin
ni din de obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
the family ne honhon hia na amerika sa
sɛbe ka ya twɛ ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twɛ ni mu twɛ nyame